Yummy English, let's talk about food. Hi, friends. Welcome to Yummy English. Let's talk about food and learn fun words to describe it. Like sweet, spicy, and crunchy. Are you ready? Vocabulary. Let's practice the words that describe food. Please say them after me. Ready? Sweet. Chocolate cake is sweet. Sour. Lemons are sour. Salty. Miso soup is salty. Spicy. Curry is spicy. Crunchy. Apples are crunchy. Crispy. Potato chips are crispy. Chewy. Gummy candy is chewy. Healthy. Salad is healthy. Dialogue. Now, let's see a short conversation using our food words.
What do you want to eat for lunch?
Let me see. I want to eat curry and rice.
Oh, curry and rice? Do you like spicy food?
Today is hot, so I want to eat something spicy.
That's nice.
Key sentence practice. I'll say the key sentences first. Please copy me.
What do you want to eat for lunch?
I want to eat curry and rice.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes. I want to eat something spicy. Examples of food with adjectives. I like apples. They're sweet and crunchy. I like lemons. They're sour. I like potato chips. They're crispy and salty. I like gummy candy. It's chewy. I like salad. It's healthy. Let's talk. It's your turn. I'll ask you a question. Please answer it. Ready? What's your favorite food? That sounds tasty. Great job. Now you can talk about food in English. Write your favorite food in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English videos. Yummy English is fun. See you in the next video.